CookBookPlus on the web is a server-based hosted application. It runs entirely over the internet and displays inside a browser. CookBookPlus on the web is not a collection of traditional web pages. It is a full-fledged database-driven program that executes entirely on a server. The application is a collection of ASP.NET web pages that work together. The application's execution speed is a function of internet bandwidth. All program functions are sent to the server for execution. Results are sent back to the client browser as an updated web page. There is no installed client software, and there is no client-side scripting behind the application web pages. CookBookPlus on the web is a work in progress, so the current version of the software may look slightly different than what you see in some of these videos. That's because recent program changes may not yet be fully documented regarding bugs in the software. CookBookPlus on the web has been thoroughly tested, but if you find any, please let us know. Regarding error messages, internet browser-based web applications operate in a much more challenging environment than do desktop PC-based programs. Since all web application program functions require communication with the application server, communication bandwidth and glitches can affect the program. Web-based program applications run slower than comparable desktop versions. Internet-based communication is fraught with inherent limitations. Occasional communication failures during server request may result in a generic and regrettably uninformative error message. Any server request that cannot be answered because the server is unavailable or otherwise busy may also result in an error message. Data entry errors by the user may also result in a generic error message. Service unavailable message may also occasionally appear. These are usually associated with the local browser and are not related to the web app itself. Fortunately, these errors are very rare. A few words about ingredients. There are 3 types of ingredients in CookBookPlus. There are CookBookPlus food item ingredients. There are recipe and meal line item ingredients. And there are USDA food values database ingredients. CookBookPlus food item ingredients are used to define the contents of recipes and meals. These food items are paired with a measure. Some examples: carrots by the cup, sugar by the tablespoon, ground beef by the pound. Recipe and meal line item ingredients define a specific quantity of food item ingredients. They are used to describe the contents of recipes and meals. Some examples: 2 cups of sugar, 3 tablespoons of flour, 2 1/4 ounces of cheese. USDA food item ingredients constitute a public domain reference database of over 6,200 food items that have been analyzed for nutrient details by the USDA Food Testing Laboratory. This database is included within the CookBookPlus program architecture and is used as a nutrient lookup source for creating custom food item ingredients for use in recipes and meals. Users interact with CookBookPlus by making selections in drop-down lists, clicking command buttons to display the selected item, initiating data entry, entering information, and saving the changes